Oh, they're pulling it up on it. Oh, I don't believe this. They're pulling the shed. You may see the shed all fall down. Oh. Oh, this. Oh no. It's going to break in the middle. Oh no. Excuse me, but this is blowing my mind. They are pulling the shed up on this thing. Please let my battery hold out. Oh, if that chain ever snaps, George is a goner. Oh. So folks, this is how the hillbillies move a shed. That's Ronald's son George standing there. Oh man, do you believe this? I have to watch it. I'll go over my YouTube time. Look at that thing go up. Now I have to see them get it off. Holy smoke. I'm not getting any pictures because I'm getting videos. This is unreal. There she goes. My goodness, she didn't break it half. Man, shed is up. On the back of a tow truck. Let me say I'm amazed. I am totally amazed.